Hello, it's Friday, August 3rd, 2012 at 4 a.m. Central Time. And I'm going to show you something interesting here. Earlier tonight, let's go back over here. Rush Fan 9th Command made a video on Kansas showing these waveforms. He describes it down here underneath. But I want to show you that these beams that were coming out here, look how they're basically centered about center on the state, from east to west, and about, just a little above halfway up, north to south. And if I go look at what's happening currently, you can see that going about right here, halfway there and here to here. Look at this hot spot that comes up. I'm going to zoom in here a little bit so you can see it. Right in here. I went on Google Earth and I found that to be a wind farm. If you look on the counties, let me unzoom it. If you want to look for yourself, you come down 3 lines, come over till it hits a dead end, and then up and over, and it's right there. Basically 3 counties down, and right between where this line comes in, and that's clearly a wind farm. And also, he talked about waveforms, and I guess that must be what this green thing is down here. Let me zoom in again. We're looking by Dodge City Doppler. Right here is Dodge City, the Doppler. You see this, the green wave? Maybe it's easier to see zoomed out. But at the point that that green wave intersects this Doppler, we get a sideways flash. Actually, it starts just a little before. Let me well, trying to. Yeah, you could probably see it good enough here. I'm going to go back a few frames and watch this waveform and this Doppler. Right there. See, it's starting to come up. It hasn't quite reached it yet. And see, it intensifies. Now, I don't know what's transferring energy to what, but let me start it again. This looks like it's gathering energy. These lines are coming out of the Dodge City right here. Right there. That's prior to it coming. Let me make it slow it down just a little bit. It flashes out. And the wave kind of moves away. You can see also the harp rings here. Let's look at the next rad. You can see it a little bit better. This dark blue is the leading edge of that form. I'll zoom in a little bit and slow it down. I'm going to click through it. So starting the loop over, let's make it so you can see the time. There we go. All right, so here, right here's the wave, here's the Doppler. And going back one here, about 7:25 universal time, you start getting the horizontal activity. It's heating up. Oh, I'm missing a frame. Kind of jumps there. And you're not seeing that activity that you see going back over here. Okay, it snaps off once it intersects. It's coming, heats up, and then snaps off. Also, we have something making, let's go back here, look at this too. It's almost a different picture looking at this. Here's that other thing being formed. So anyway, I just wanted to bring that to your attention. I don't think I can find it quick enough in Google Earth because I got off track, and I was going back to Waverly looking for the dark ink clouds because that little spray pattern that we were seeing is the same thing I saw where that ink cloud rose up. But it doesn't look like Waverly has a wind farm right there. They're just reinstalling one that fell down as they were installing it. So Well, it won't take me long to get in there. One, two, three line counties down, come up, one, come up, it'll be right here. And halfway between here, it's right centered in here. And I'm becoming most dismayed by all of the wind farms that are I mean, it's like this whole nation's getting covered with these things. There will be no escaping them. Goodness. So, anyway, there were some over there. All these little squiggle lines. This is all wind farms in here, up in here, up in here. And I'll zoom in so you can see clearly. Wind farms once again. So there you have it. God bless you. Be safe out there.